Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video, today's tutorial, and I'm really excited. I have in my bullet journal a whole month worth of content planned for you guys for the last days of 31 days of Halloween. So I'm really excited. So for today's tutorial, which will be on Saturday, I like to film my videos ahead of time now, so that way I can have time to export them when I need to, not feel rushed. Which I find very helpful, especially since it's a lot faster now with the system I'm using. So I'm really excited about that. And so let's backtrack a little bit. We're going to be drawing a pumpkin girl, and with these drawing tutorials, I probably will be doing them traditionally, especially for today's video, but also Procreate. However, I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing Procreate for this one, but we'll see how I feel towards the end of the video. So bear with me with that, but we're going to be going back and forth. So this video will be on Saturday, and you guys probably already seen day 15 for October, which will be on Friday, which it was today. So I'm filming this on Friday, so this will be Saturday's video. So yeah, anyways, so with that being said, we're gonna be drawing a pumpkin girl, and I have examples for you guys. And I'm kind of messed up the skin on the first one, but I found my pocket pen, and these are the cartoon girls we're gonna be drawing in a pumpkin costume, so I thought that's pretty cute. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the materials and everything we're going to be using in today's video as well. So gather your materials. I will get started with today's video. I am going to keep it at least traditional for this one. At least. The coloring part we'll be using is Posca pens. I love these. These are my favorite pens to draw with when it comes to colors. So I love these. You can find them in Michael's. You can find them on Hobby Lobby. You can find them on Amazon. These are great. These are acrylic paint pens. I love working with these when it comes to fast sketches, and these are great. So we'll be using brown, orange, peach, light green, and then kind of another orange, and then light orange as well. So definitely you don't have to use these. You can use any crayon markers or whatever, or color pencils, or something to color with. I am using a Sharpie, so that way, and also when you have your Sharpie, don't forget to put paper underneath your drawing paper. That way it doesn't get on your desk. Also, I have here, you necessarily don't need to have this, but I do have a circle template to make it easy for you guys, and that way you can scale your drawing however you want to. So I probably might be using this. I haven't decided yet, but depending. Sorry, my Fitbit is just warning me or something. But anyways, so I'm really excited for this drawing tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a video. And let's get started with today's video. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I will be using the circle template. You can find this at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Amazon as well. So I'm going to be using this today to help you guys get your scaling right. You don't necessarily have to have this. And also, I advise you to draw this in pencil as well. Necessarily don't have to have my materials as well to do this, but bear with me on that. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a Sharpie. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go with this big, medium-sized head right here. That way we'll just have room for the eyes and everything. For this, normally when I do sketches in pencil, I would do a smaller circle because I'm using a smaller tool, but we're doing Sharpie. So, I went ahead and made my circle here so you guys can see. So for the eyes, normally I would do really cute cartoon eyes. I'm going to keep this simple for you guys, and we're going to keep it so cute and simple. So I'm going to go ahead and do circles for the eyes and then have a highlight in them. So we're going to start on the left side. If it helps you, you can use guidelines or placement for the eyes or something, and I can share with you guidelines I like to use when I'm sketching in pencil. The reason I keep saying sketching in pencil because I'm usually using a Sharpie for you guys to see easier, if that makes sense. But we're gonna go ahead and start with the eye. So you want to have a circle kind of like that towards the bottom of the circle, a bigger circle. I'm gonna come over here and add a highlight. And if you hear anything in the background, my parents are probably cleaning, so my brother coming home tonight, so bear with me. But anyways, get back to the video. So I'm just going to add a highlight color at the eye end. And then you can add eyelashes to it if you want to. I usually like to do 3. And then you want to come over here to the opposite side, and then you always want to work left to right. So I want to add another highlight. There we go. So I want to add another highlight there, and this is just kind of like my style, and eyelashes for that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go on to the smile. You can add any kind of smile you want to. I'm just going to add a little cushy tappy. And then I'm going to add eyebrows to make it more expressive. For the ears, I usually like to put them lower on the face. For the ears, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Might not be correct, but you know, it's okay. So, we're going to start with the hair, and then we're going to start the hair, and then come back to the hair after we get the pumpkin costume on her. So, I like to do for the hair, kind of like a good old curve here, little curve there, and then, oh my gosh, okay, sorry, my pen got in my hair. We're going to bring, so usually when it comes to pumpkin costumes, there's usually a hat that's with the pumpkin. So I'm going to draw that. You want to bring a little curve on top of her head like so, and then bring a little rainbow curve across for the hats on part of her costume. So you want to draw them. You can always add a face to the hat or something if you want to, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to bring a little line down to make it detailed. So we're going to bring the hair back down a little bit for the hair, and then we're going to stop there for that. So there's the head. We got done with part 1. We're going to go to part 2 and do the body and the costume. So here's the head so far. She's cute and everything. And then once we get the costume on and everything like that, we'll go ahead and finish the hair. And then we'll get to color it. So, yeah, let's go ahead, go on to the body now. Okay, hey guys, and welcome back to part 2 of the tutorial. We're going to go ahead and draw the costume. Here's how the face and cookie like so far. Seems pretty cute. We're going to go ahead and get started with the costume. I'm going to draw the neck towards the, like, just 2 short lines. But, we're going to go ahead and draw the pumpkin part. We've already got the hat on. We're going to draw the pumpkin part. If you want, you can add a curve, like a rainbow line right here, and then another one opposite, come over here and connect them, like so. You can add dots to them, what I'm trying to say. for this one. And then I usually like to bring these two lines together for the pumpkin. And then, so we have the shoulders. And then now for the pumpkin, you can have any of the brushes if you want to. This is just how I like to do it. I'm going to add straps to the shoulders. And then we'll go ahead and add the arms. Okay, so bring that. I'm going to, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause it. So I'm just going adding arms before we get too carried away with the pumpkin details. So for the feet, I'm going to, and we'll go back to add the costume or the face to the pumpkin costume. And yeah, so we're going to ahead and go with the legs. So usually you want to draw a line towards the bottom, and then if I'm going too fast again, let me know and I'll definitely try to slow it down, but you can always pause the video and catch up. You want to bring a line, horizontal line towards that, and then want to bring another line like so. It's just a simpler way to add a leg. And then want to bring another foot. And then if you want, you can add details like shoelaces or anything like that. Just a simpler way to add feet. Okay, so now we have a pumpkin girl. But where's the face to the pumpkin? We need to add that. So I want to go ahead and get started with that. So I'm going to add triangle for the eyes. See where we are now, okay. Triangle for the eyes. And then for the smile, you can have a simple smile if you want to or not, but I'm just going to do a little, there we go. Okay, so now she is done. You can add details to the pockets if you want to. I'm going to add lines, a little bit, just to get more of an idea of a pumpkin. Now for her hair, we can go back to finishing her hair. I just want to get the pumpkin done for that. You can bring the hair down. You can have it long if you want to. Just depends on what your style is. I'm doing mine long. Add more detail. And not only that, but what you can do, you can add like a little candy bag with her, which I'm going to do with this one. And I will add things to it. You can add candy to it or whatnot, but I'm having too much fun with this. But there's your little pumpkin girl. We'll go ahead and I'm going to speed up the coloring with this one. So I'm really excited how she turned out, and I hope you guys had a lot of fun drawing her as much as I had teaching it to you. Again, we're going to be using green, orange, brown, light orange, medium orange for the coloring, and these are pocket pens. You can get these anywhere, but basically Amazon. So I just want to mention that real quick. So if you have any questions on the art supplies I used today, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you won't miss a video. I will be trying to get back to uploading every single day for you guys if I keep this up. So yeah, anyways, if you have any questions again, don't forget to leave them in the comments down below. If you might not leave a pumpkin emoji down below to let me know you liked the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. We're going to go ahead and go to speed drawing part now, and thank you for watching.